This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring power and connectivity. This prevents mid-transfer stops. Plug both phones in, join the same stable Wi-Fi, and turn off VPNs and hotspots so interference is reduced. Once done, unlock each device, accept prompts to set up the transfer on the new iPhone, and choose either Direct Device Transfer or iCloud Restore. Follow on-screen pairing. This initiates the handshake that moves data securely. Doing this first avoids simple fails that cause cancellations later. You now handle the middle steps where things usually falter. If you chose device to device, keep the phones close and screen on, the direct transfer is faster for big files. If using iCloud, check iCloud backup status and restore order, prioritizing messages and photos first. Make sure you grant permissions when apps ask for access, otherwise installations stall. Also, temporarily disable automatic downloads and heavy apps to preserve bandwidth. These actions stabilize throughput and reduce the chance the transfer gets canceled. You finish by letting the process finalize and then signing back into your Apple ID so apps and accounts reauthorize. Once the progress bar completes, reboot both iPhones to ensure system services apply all restored settings. If an item still looks missing, open the App Store to complete app downloads. If the transfer cancels at any point, try again using a Lightning to Lightning or Lightning to USB adapter for a wired transfer, or restore from a verified iCloud backup. Wired transfers reduce wireless errors and usually resolve cancellations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.